Do you need an iPhone to record content? This is one of the most asked questions that I get on my Instagram. Now, let me be honest with you. The short answer is no. And let me tell you why. This is my first phone that I used in terms of creating content, and this is a OnePlus Nord. And when I started using it, the quality was good for that time. But third year, the quality started depleting, and I actually started creating content back in 2019. And for that time, the videos were good, but eventually the quality started depleting. And then my phone started hanging a lot, where my Instagram was crashing, the editing apps were crashing, and I just had to upgrade the new phone. So I got the Samsung S21 FE, and honestly, the quality of it is so good. I've taken so many photos for my Instagram, for the desserts, for the menu on this phone, and the video quality is good. Now you need to understand that the front camera of all phones are relatively lower quality, but the back cameras are really good. So if you're using a tripod, if someone else is recording the content for you, well and good, it's more than enough. But the reason why I'm saying don't get an iPhone when you start creating content is, for one main reason is, you don't know how to create content and you buy an iPhone, it's waste of potential. Now, why am I not suggesting an iPhone for good video clarity in the beginning itself? Is, first of all, a lot of people invest a lot of money when you're starting out a business to create content. You buy a camera, you buy a tripod, you buy the fanciest ovens, and then you decide that you do not want to continue baking. And that's money all gone down the drain. Instead, if you use a phone with relatively good clarity, and I know as I say this, my mentor is just going to be like, Krita kept asking for an iPhone, she wants to buy an iPhone. But the truth is, ever since I started creating content, eventually as it got better, that's when I decided to upgrade my phone and get a new phone. But even before buying this phone that I'm recording content on now, I was like, should I get an iPhone? And all my content creator friends were like, get an iPhone. But it's way above my budget, and I do not want to spend so much on a phone when I can spend it on baking equipment. And I feel like as long as there is quality in what content I'm putting out, the quality of the video is, not really important. So do you need an iPhone? I don't think you need an iPhone right away. I think you create content, learn how to make content, and if you're actually willing to do this long term for your business or for your personal brand, then you shift to an iPhone if you really, really want to. But if not, you don't need an iPhone. That's it for today's video. I hope that was helpful. I hope that cleared the bubble in your head about which phone you need. You don't need a fancy phone. The Samsung FE, I think I bought it for 30,000, and I used it for about 2 years, and I'm still using this as my main phone now because it's really good. I do most of my content on this. I do most of the editing on this. So you don't really need a phone, a fancy phone. So I hope that helps. I hope that clears it for you. If you like this video, subscribe. And check out my page on Instagram to follow my business and also buy some desserts for yourself. Until the next video, bye bye.